Batman ain't got shit on me. Yeah, exactly, dude. Look, Ben Affleck, who played one of the Batman.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he was bidding on a house that I bought.
Oh, really?
I bought a house next to Leo DiCaprio. Really? I'm bragging. This is total brag, okay? I'm just totally bragging right now. It's not a humble brag. This is just fucking ostentatious, just arrogant American bragging.
Yeah, but that's pretty cool.
So Ben Affleck's bidding on the deal. I said, ain't no way that punk. He's just a script reading actor with an alcohol problem.
Pay for that property. Right?
I said, he's never going to step up for it. Okay, I bought that house for $8.3 million. Yeah. He didn't step up and buy it. I said, what a punk. Somebody gives him $20 million a movie at the height of his career, playing fucking Batman. Okay. Look, man, I bought the house, sold it for $19 million.
Yeah, cool.
Okay, and Ben Affleck, he looked at the house at $8.3 million, didn't buy it, came back and looked at it with me for 15. I said, dude, you didn't buy it at 8.3, you ain't gonna buy it at 15. And then I sold it for 19.
Yeah.
I like that. I'm gonna stay with what you said. What what hero would I be? Grant Cardone.
Yeah.
Grant Cardone.
That's almost as good as when somebody said Nathanial Bibby when I asked.
Yeah, that's awesome, dude. That's awesome. I like that. That.
Oh, thanks for your time, Grant. It's been a pleasure to catch up with you.
Yeah, dude. Pleasure meeting you. Okay, let's do something on LinkedIn together.
Yeah.
Okay?
You'll crush it.
Let's prove it out.
Sounds good.